Now, number of big financial institutions after the launch of the Onvo L90 together with the all-new Neo ES8 NT 3.0 or the third version of that model, so many of the investors, including big fishes or big financial institutions, they've been coming and reiterating buy ratings, increasing the price target onto Neo. We've discussed quite a number of institutions already that have came and increased price target onto Neo, and it is just so amazing. I mean, these institutions include JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citi maintained still a buy rating. I think they're the ones with the they are one of the few with the highest price target of $8 and I think 50 cents. This is all because of the all new Neo ES8 and the L90. Now today I want to give you more good news of another institution that I was wondering when are they gonna come and weigh in onto Neo, especially after the launch of these two models, and today they finally got to come and reveal their latest sentiment as to what they see. But before I tell you exactly what company or big institution this is, please like this video, please subscribe, please hit on or click that notification bell, because YouTube still tells me that some of you guys are just watching and have not subscribed, and I would really appreciate if you can just subscribe so that we can grow the Neo community, and also share this video to your friends, your family. Most importantly, also please like this video because it does take me some time to create content like this. But otherwise, without wasting any more of your time, you will know that Goldman Sachs price target before this new update on their sentiment and their ratings onto Neo, they were having a price target of $4.30, and now as soon on the screen you notice that they've raised the price target of Neo to around $7, but they are keeping a neutral rating. So the price target, the part of the reason why they raised it, it's the same as what those other institutions were saying, and that is they are seeing an upside potential due to the, of course, new models like the L90, the ES8, which is something that is just so great. I mean, on Goldman Sachs highlights the sales growth, highlights the massive sales growth that is expected from Neo in the coming months, but they also flag something very important going to 2026 to say that the momentum might not slow down, because 2026 Neo is going to launch 3 models. This is the Neo ES9, which is a completely new model, and that's the Onvo L80, completely new model, and the Vision 3 or NT 3.0 of the Neo ES7. These are the 3 models that they are going to launch, and according to Goldman Sachs, this should keep the momentum for deliveries coming for Neo, which is something that we are looking forward to. So I am happy, man. I am excited because they continue and said that, look, they are expecting a higher demand and margins as Neo production improves, right? And they see the gross margins growing by 2 to 3% higher than before, and expects Neo. The only thing that I did not understand is that they are expecting Neo to reach break even by 2028, a year earlier than previous estimate. So they don't believe that Neo is going to reach a break even in Q4. I don't know. I think this is, they're talking about an annual profitability. They're expecting a break even to come in 2028, which I don't think that is the case, because look, part of the reason why probably they are neutral, it's exactly because of this. They don't see Neo reaching break even at least until 2028. And Neo, remember, they are expecting to reach break even or to hit profitability non-GAAP now in Q4, and next year they're expecting to they're expecting profitability to continue, which that is one thing that I think Goldman Sachs is missing, to say that the break even for all 4 quarters is going to come next year. Yes, Q1 we might not see Neo performing that well, or we might not see maybe the non-GAAP profitability. There are chances that we don't, due to the demand or the low demand that is there, which will be caused by also the subsidies or the tax incentives that China it's going to cut by 50% from the incentives they are giving this year. That is also going to play a huge role. But we all know that NEO, with their all new NEO ES8, they are taking the incentives, or ensuring that those that don't get their ES8 deliveries this year, they will give them their incentives. We know that, right? And this should help NEO secure probably enough orders to remain profitable, right, from Q4 going to Q1. But again, I don't want to jump the gun. Let's wait, let's see. But I think part of the reason why Goldman Sachs is still neutral onto NEO might be because of they are still expecting them to get to profitability in like 3 years from now, right? Full year profitability in 3 years from now, which is something that is making them maybe to even have the neutral rating. But overall, the sentiment, they are expecting great things, medium to short term to medium term, which is absolutely great, and something that we have discussed in the of course a previous video. So I am happy, man. I am excited. I like what I see. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will be rewarded. Like I said, it's not only these institutions that are going to come and give a sentiment or comment onto NEO. We are still going to have quite a number of other institutions that comes and weigh in onto NEO because of what we are seeing, because of the latest developments. We are going to see a lot of these institutions coming to cover NEO. I mean, right now in Wall Street, NEO overall sentiment, it's a hold, with 7 institutions saying buy, 5 institutions saying hold, and only 1 saying sell in the last 3 months, right? This is the sentiment in the last 3 months. The average NEO stock price is around $6.72, which implies, of course, the average price target onto NEO is $6.72, which is something that is quite interesting, right? But again, don't want to talk a lot. I just thought I'd come and quickly give you these updates when I saw them. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is going to come. Long term is going to win to those investors of NEO who are persevering, remaining long and strong onto NEO. I will see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.